What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another exciting video. Now, the video you're about to see is basically from 2021, about 2 years ago. Now, the reason why it took so long for me to upload this video is because when I recorded the video, for some reason, some of the files got corrupted. Tried everything I could do to actually restore those files, but most of it got deleted or got corrupted. So the video you're about to see is kind of an old video, but it's still relevant, and I felt like I still had to upload it. And yeah, you guys let me know what you think. So welcome back to another video, guys. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the next mod for the 335i. Now, today I have to drop off the car to 180 to do customizations on cars, headlights, steering wheels, tires. They've wrapped, they do just about everything, customization wise. I'm about to go take the car, drop the car off, and let them do what they do. And then tomorrow after 6:05, I'll pick up the car. So that's what I'm about to do. I've been thinking about doing this for a while, but it's really expensive. What I really want for this car, it's really expensive. It's very costly, expensive for me, because I ain't got money like that. So but they're basically going to add in like the hexagon halo ring, the hexagon. They're going to delete the side amber lights, LED turn signal at the top, carbon fiber LED turn signal. I decided to keep my lens, the lens on the car. I decided to keep that instead of just paying for new ones, because the price was already high enough. So my total it's about $1,700 total, just for the lights, the modifications in the lights. They're basically modifying my original headlights that's on the car. I took headlights that I bought thinking that they can modify that one, but they told me that they couldn't work on that. They didn't want to touch it because whoever had touched it before, blah blah blah. So they decided to go with the one I already have in my car. So they just modified that, and but anyway, I'm gonna go drop off the car and pick it up tomorrow, and I'll show you guys what's next. Let's get right into this. Hey yo, shout out to 180. We are here. Look at this. Look at this. Yo. Look at this. This is sick. Yeah, look at this shit. Damn. impressed. Look at this. Damn. Look at these eyes.
I'ma get that check like I never did before. Then I'ma spend that check like I never did before. Ride off in that vet like I never did before. Then I'ma leave it wet like I never did before. I do everything like it's the first time. Told you what it was, I know you heard now. I do everything like it's the first time. If you're not on my time, then you get curved now. Pocket full of faces in it blue, alright. Start the car and I drop out the roof. I'm sliding. Everything you said, it wasn't true. You lied. Call my phone and you wanted to scoop. You tried. Stop talking about the deals when you don't have a deal.
What the headlights look like. BMW Dynamic Xena by one. Okay, so they make their own custom, parts for the headlights customization. Just want to show you guys. This is what the car looks like with the lights off. Like I told you, I decided to not change my lens, so I could peel this plastic off or just have maybe install new ones. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna take this off and have the headlights buffed and make it look clearer. But this is what it looks like off. It looks sick, man. I'm telling you gotta see this in person. It looks sick. They deleted the side marker. I just wish they would have blocked it out, because that's what I wanted, but anyway, that's for another video or something. But I wish they would have just blacked this whole thing out. But I'm gonna do that in a oh, I just noticed something. There's a fitment issue right here. These mother lovers, they didn't put the bumper on right. Put the bumper on right. This side also. Shit. Oh damn! I just noticed this gap. This is not okay. This was not like this. I could leave it like that, or nah, I can't leave it like that. They gotta fix that. This is not okay. It's too big of a gap right here. This is not okay. I'm gonna talk about that gap later. I'm gonna call them right after this video and try to take the car back so they can fix that gap. But I'm gonna turn the car on and show you guys what the headlights look like. While on, right now I have it on the on red. The Demon Eye. The daytime running lights red, same like this one. Yo, I didn't even notice. I was so excited about this, I forgot about the gap. I was like, yo, nah, this is not okay. But they're interchangeable. You can change them to just about any color. But I'm gonna show y'all the app and just go through the app a little bit and show you how it actually works. It is Bluetooth. So I'm gonna pop the hood and see what they got going on, how Okay, I see the wiring over there, and then over here. Huh. Yo, it's so hot in here. Yo, this is crazy. It's hot. But I like how they like put everything and tucked everything away neatly, like no issue whatsoever. I don't see any problems. Any cable, like the way they manage the cable, it looks good. It looks very good. Let me check. I ain't got no leaks. Alright, Joe. The eyes. Let me put on the turn signal. The hazard light. Show you guys. Show it blinking. Like, well, the hazard lights are amber, so you can't really see it that clear. That's what they look like.
Those fucking nice.
Yeah.
I like those.
Thank you, appreciate it.
What's that run?
Huh?
What's that run?
What it run?
The aftermarket. Those are aftermarket.
Yeah, they are.
Those run.
They're about 1,700. Well, the whole work.
The whole house.
Yeah, but
and shit like that.
yeah, the parts about probably like 450.
Yeah.
But
Well, a lot of it, this whole fucking car's got lights all over it. I've done all my wiring. I'm actually about to put stupid whipping lights on the back of this.
oh,
When you go off road and like on sand and shit.
yeah.
If there's dunes, ATVs and side by side, you're supposed to have these whip antennas.
Oh,
So you can see them. So I'm mounting them in the bumper. I'm going to get wire cover now for storage. But I'm gonna have fucking whip antennas on the back of this fucking thing.
this is dope, though. I like your setup. This is nice.
It's made for off-road.
Yeah.
It's made for off-road.
Yo, that guy was so cool, man. Oh my goodness, coolest dude. I just met him. All of a sudden, I'm doing my video in my car. Boom, I just met him, and I usually see his truck around here because I live in his area. It's my neighborhood. And he just started, complimenting the lights and stuff, So, car lover thing, man. Once we see something cool in somebody else's car, we like, you gotta stop, man. Like, yo, that's dope. That was dope. And I like what he did with his car, with his the Subaru. Man, I wish I would have recorded more and show you guys some crazy stuff on there, man. Awesome guy, man. Awesome guy. But anyway, I'm going to show you guys the app, and show you guys like how the app works and how you can customize, your lights to flow and whatever way you want the lights to be. And so let's get right into that. All right, I'm going to show you guys. All right, guys, this is the app. I'm going to show you guys, just a little bit of how the app works. It's called Magic Light right there. Let me just focus on that. The app is called Magic Light, and this is the app when you open. It won't look exactly like this when you first open it. You're gonna have to add these two because the light is controlled by two Bluetooth module. You're gonna have to add these two into a group. You can do that at the bottom here where it says add a group, or off or on. Once you add that into a group, you can name the group. Like mine, I named it RGB. See right there, and it's on. It's currently on right now. I kept it on red. Once you click the group, hold on a second here, let it load. There we go. So once you open the app, you're gonna see this where you can set the color to whatever it is that you want. You can set individual colors that you want, or for any time or night of the day. I got 3 color sets right here. I'm usually rocking the red like day and night. That's just my favorite. Uh-oh. And also you have like some features down here. You have color, warm, functions, disco, and then custom. Okay, no, you got music, you got camera, there's a whole bunch of other stuff you could do with this once you start playing around with this. But I'm not gonna mess with anything that, like, right now. Like, I'm not gonna mess with anything right now. I like it as it is. I'm gonna mess around with this even more to see what else I could do with it. But yeah, guys, that's just a quick overview of the app and how it runs. I'm gonna step outside of the vehicle and show you guys, like, because there's a little bit of delay. Again, this is Bluetooth, so anything Bluetooth wise is not like, so there's a tiny bit of probably a second or two of delay when you switch between colors, but nonetheless it's not drastic enough for you to be like, oh man, this is crazy, or to not put up with it. It's just a split second, a split second or two. But yeah, that's it, guys.
Perfect.